My name is Dasin Payani. I am the co-founder and CEO of Seren Labs. So Seren Labs works with founders, with brands, and we help them build mobile apps and web platforms. So we do design, we do development of iOS apps, of Android apps, and of websites. We've had a lot of successful products. A lot of the apps that we've built last year are now really taking off seriously. So it's an exciting time at Seren. So we've started using LogoJoy since January, and it's become like an integral part of pretty much every branding project that we do. I think we have some of the best designers, and yes, any one of them can build a logo. What we've realized though is that LogoJoy nearly matches what they're capable of. So they can then spend that time towards building the user interface or working alongside the engineers and making sure that we've got the right animations in place. It's because it saves us sort of crucial time in the ideation process. LogoJoy basically takes all that time, cuts it into a fraction, and that's why it's such a valuable tool for us. Hands down, if you're building a logo, you use LogoJoy and you put it inside your design agency process, it's gonna save you 2 weeks. The most enjoyable part is when you're seeing the results, right? Like the first part, like the first 2 screens, you're like, oh, okay, I want like traditional, I want literal or abstract, I want that style, and I like these colors, like, all right, that's great. And then you start getting these results, and it's amazing because like every time you select the ones that you like, they are getting more and more accurate in terms of the results that you're getting. And that's really fun to see. Everything that a professional designer is gonna give you, it gives you that tool set. If we can trust LogoJoy, then I don't see why a founder wouldn't be able to use LogoJoy for exactly that purpose. Anyone can use it, really, yeah.